Newly installed Senate President Cheese Escudero says the upper chamber will no longer waste time on measures that would not get its approval anyway. Inikapihan sa Senado Forum, Escudero was asked about the new leadership's priority measures when the third regular session of Congress resumes in July. But for now, Escudero says he could not say yet which measures, pending assessment.
Kung may priority measure na hindi naman papasa sa Senado, hindi na namin pag-aaksayan ng panahon at sasabihin namin sa Malacanang. Sayang na naman ang igugugol na oras din eh.
Escudero does not elaborate on what specific measure the Senate would supposedly not waste time on. But when asked if this includes proposed measures pushing for charter change, he says it was possible. Emphasizing his 14 years of experience as lawmaker, Escudero says he is well-versed when it comes to determining whether or not a bill would conveniently hurdle Congress.
14 na taon na ako nasa Kongreso. Alam at kabisado ko na halos kung paano magpasa at hindi magpasa at kung anong mahihirapang ipasa at madaling ipasa na panukalang batas.